A rectangular courtyard is 18 meters 72 centimeters long and 13 meters 20 centimeters broad. It is to be paved with square tiles of the same size. Find the least possible number of such tiles. Since we need the least number of square tiles, each tile should be as large as possible. The largest possible square tile will have a side equal to the HCF of the length and breadth. Convert both measurements into centimeters. Length equals 18 meters 72 centimeters equals 18 times 100 plus 72 centimeters equals 1800 plus 72 centimeters equals 1872 centimeters. Breadth equals 13 meters 20 centimeters equals 13 times 100 plus 20 centimeters equals 1300 plus 20 centimeters equals 1320 centimeters. Now we'll find the HCF of 1872 and 1320 by using division method. I have discussed all the methods to find the HCF in part 1. If you have not yet watched part 1, then you can watch it after this video. So, HCF equals 24 centimeters. Hence, the side of each square tile is 24 centimeters. Number of square tiles required is area of the courtyard by area of the tile. Therefore, the least possible number of square tiles required is 4290. The sum of two numbers is 216 and their HCF is 27. Find the numbers. Three different containers contain 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of milk respectively. Find the capacity of a container which can measure the milk of all the containers in an exact number of times. To measure the milk in all the three containers an exact number of times, we need the greatest capacity that divides 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters exactly. So we'll find the HCF of the three numbers by prime factorization method. So, HCF of 403, 434, and 465 equals 31. Hence, the required capacity of the container is 31 liters. The length, breadth and height of a room are 1050 centimeters, 750 centimeters and 425 centimeters respectively. Find the length of the longest tape which can measure the three dimensions of the room exactly. To find the longest tape that can measure the length, breadth, and height of the room exactly, we need to find the HCF of the three dimensions. So, HCF of 1050, 750 and 425 equals 5 times 5 equals 25. Hence, the length of the longest tape is 25 centimeters. A farmer has 2,494 sheep and 2,193 lambs. He farms them into flocks, keeping sheep and lambs separate and having the same number of animals in each flock. If these flocks are as large as possible, find the maximum number of animals in each flock and total number of flocks required for the purpose. To make the flocks as large as possible while keeping sheep and lambs separate, we need to find the HCF of 2494 and 2193. HCF of 2494 and 2193 equals 43. The maximum number of animals in each flock is 43. Number of flocks for sheep equals 2494 divided by 43 equals 58. So, 58 flocks of sheep are required. Number of flocks for lambs equals 2193 divided by 43 equals 51. So, 51 flocks of lambs are required. Total number of flocks equals 58 plus 51 equals 109. Hence, the total number of flocks required for the purpose is 109. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep loving maths. See you in the next video. If you liked my video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.